Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So some breaking news. UWM, that's United Wholesale Mortgage, that's their website right there, was the first mortgage lender and servicer to start accepting mortgage payments using cryptocurrency. But wait, what just happened? So UWM again is my favorite lender, and they did something innovative yet again. Their most recent innovation was mind-blowing. They announced it at our conference. They said they're going to start underwriting loans, or better said, we get to underwrite our loans by inputting everything into the system, and in 15 minutes the automated system gives us an underwriting response. Now this is different from DU, Desktop Underwriter, or LPA. I have made an entire video on this. It's not an automated underwriting system. It's an actual underwriting system. So a loan is underwritten in 15 minutes. Now another human comes and back checks it, make sure we did everything okay when we entered everything. But it shows their innovation in technology, the way that they are more of a technology mortgage company than just a mortgage company, which is what we need as mortgage brokers and small lenders to succeed, to compete against the big silly rocket ships that spend millions of dollars on commercials and charge you more money because they're spending all those millions. Anyway, the point of this video is more about cryptocurrency. That's a Bitcoin chart right there, and mortgages, which that's a mortgage bond chart right there. See what I did there? Anyway, this is my my house in the Keys, which is a complete mess because it's under construction, but this is the best I could do. So what did UWM say or do? Well, they did their test pilot and they had people make payments with Bitcoin and 5 other cryptocurrencies. My thinking is, I mean, if you're gonna do that, you run the risk of I pay you in Bitcoin right now and the value of Bitcoin drops right after. You know, when does UWM turn around and cash that out, or what do they do? You know, what are the transaction fees? Depending, you know, Ethereum has high gas fees. So there's a lot to it. Let's see what Matt Ishbia, the president and CEO of UWM, had to say about their test pilot. We're proud to be the first mortgage lender to successfully pilot this technology and further demonstrate that we're innovating for the long term. As we said last quarter, we're going to look into accepting cryptocurrency and test it to see if it's faster, easier, cheaper solution. And thanks to our innovative technology team members, and transactions were successful. So they did it. It happened and it worked. But he went on to say, due to the current combination of incremental costs, I think that's what we were talking about just a second ago, and regulatory uncertainty in the crypto space, we've concluded we aren't going to extend beyond a pilot at this time. So it's a bummer to crypto. I don't think it's a big deal because, I mean, I look at cryptos more assets, not so much currency. It's hard to, not all of them, I mean there's thousands of them now, but they all have different features, they all have different pros and cons. For the most part, it's asset based. I mean, Bitcoin itself is like digital gold. It's not good for transacting. It takes forever for it to transfer, but let's see what else he had to say. UWM has been a leader in technology for years because we never stop pushing the envelope and challenging the status quo, and what makes the loan process faster, easier, cheaper for independent mortgage brokers and borrowers. It shows you there's a huge migration away from the lender branch model and away from banks. I mean, who uses a bank? I talk to people and they use, you know, these big banks on the corner of a street. They're not mortgage companies. They do mortgages because they have to. Because if they don't do mortgages and you go get a mortgage from another bank, that bank is gonna say, give me all your checking accounts and you're gonna move over there. So to keep their banking business, they offer mortgages, and they're terrible at it. Just ask any realtor listing a property in today's market if they want to accept an offer with Chase or Wells Fargo or Bank of America pre-approval letter. Like, no, go call Mortgage Nerd for that. So innovation and technology, speed of service. We move lightning fast, Bolt, the new underwriting system. I do love UWM. I have other lenders that I use also depending on what the product is. It's kind of a bummer, as I said, but it's great to see crypto being used this way. What's going to happen in 4 or 5 years? Mortgage Nerd out.